student. Good morning everyone. Today student we are going to learn our lesson number 5 of geography subject, that is the ocean currents. Student, in previous videos we have studied about the lesson number 4, and what was the name of this lesson? Yes, ocean floor. Okay, what is the structure of ocean floor and which mountain, which part of the ocean floor, that we have studied in previous video. Now student, in 5th number lesson we will see about the how the ocean currents are and how they flow in which direction to which direction, as well as which are the ocean currents. Okay student, and which object, which things are responsible for to flow such as the ocean currents. Okay student, now see, ocean currents means what? First we will see the definition of ocean current. Now see student, ocean current means there are streams of water moving along the surface of ocean in definite direction. Now see student, when the streams of water in the ocean, they started to flow along the surface of water in definite path, in definite direction, it is called the ocean currents. Ocean currents means water flow of ocean. Okay, in simple language, again I tell, there are the streams. Stream, we all know that the small flow of water, it is called the stream. There are the streams of water that started moving alongside the surface of water in a definite direction. It is called the ocean current. Student, generally if you see, the ocean current flow vertical as well as horizontal direction. Okay, that we will see in detail. Okay, in our topic. Now let's start our topic number 5. Now student, there are two parts of the ocean. Okay, that now see here, that we will see. But before going to start, here is student is, let's record. Okay, first we will take this. Okay student, our first question is that when does any material flow? Student, for example, in rainy season we like to make paper boat and we like to flow that boat in our in that rainy water. Student, why that water flow on the water? Okay, why that boat flow on the water? Why students? Because of their light weight. As compared to water, that things have a light weight, and that's why that material and that thing start to flow. Okay, answer is because of the light weight, material start flow. Okay, now second question is that what happened exactly when it flows? Now see student, we suppose we put any one thing in water. Okay, that started because of the light weight, that started float also. Okay, but what we observe? Okay, what exactly happened? Now we are studying about the ocean, that's why. Now see, when the ocean current started to flow in horizontal direction, then material also start to flow alongside this flow. Okay, when the ocean current start to flow in horizontal direction, then material also start to flow. Okay, when that material, exactly what happened? When in that ocean currents, ocean streams, ocean flow started to flow, and alongside that flow, our material also start to flow. Okay, now see student, question number 3 is that which anomalies in the material is responsible for the initiation of the flow? Means which are the things, which are the wind. Because of the wind, wind give speed to ocean current. Okay. First thing is that first factor is that wind, and because of the wind, ocean currents get speed for flow. Okay. The second one is the most important factors is that gravity. Because of the gravitational force of earth, that also influence on that current, ocean currents. Okay. And third one is the water flow. Now see student, water flow. We do you know student how the water flow of any one ocean, any one sea? Okay student, always water flow to high level to low, higher level to lower level, okay, of water. Water always flow higher level to lower level, okay. Understood student? That three factors are responsible for the ocean currents, okay, to flow the ocean currents, okay, to flow, okay. That all factors are responsible to any one material flow, okay student. Now see, try this. Here is one activity, okay, we have to do. Student, you can do very easy, and that material also easily will be easily available in your home. Now see student, material required, which a large metal tray, water plastic spoons, means small pieces, small things of plastic, okay. Spirit lamp, okay, we can use candle instead of spirit lamp, okay. Now see student, firstly we have to take a small means a tray, and in tray, metal tray, and in that metal tray we have to pour some water, okay, in this way, and that metal tray we have to put like this tank, okay. Now see student, at the one corner of that tray we have to light a spirit lamp, okay, and we have to put some spoons. Spoons means student what? Spoons means some flat pieces of that can float over the water, yeah, on the water. Some flat piece, okay, that can float on the water easily. Means like a small pieces of plastic, some small things, okay, spoons. Here we can see some pieces of plastic, means spoons put in that, okay. Now see student, after some times we have to see, okay, observe the all things after the some time, okay, what we will see. Now see student, that is a one metal tray, in that water full, and downside here is a one there is stand, at the corner of the one corner here is any one candle we put, consider that, because, and here there are some spoons of plastic, okay student. When the metal tray started heating, and because of that student, we all know that at the one corner we have put, okay, that candle. That's why student, firstly here means here in this part temperature will be hot, and because of that student, that from lower temperature that all spoons started moving towards the higher temperature, and student, because of the heat, that all spoons again means that are in a hot temperature, they started toward the low temperature in circular motion. If you see student in this picture, you can see that all spoons are moving in a circular motion because of that heat student. Now see student, firstly that all spoon, plastic pieces of paper, that started moving from low temperature to high temperature, and again high temperature to low temperature, okay, in a circular motion. Student, this activity is related to our ocean currents. Students, in our, if we took any one ocean, which is the source of the means heat, sun is the main source of the heat, and because of the sun, that sunlight, sun rays, which water firstly student started heat? Our surface water, and that's why student, because of that surface water started to move deep water, and deep water started again move towards the surface water. In this way, our ocean current flow in a circular motion from high temperature to low temperature to high temperature. In a which motion, student? Circular motion. And which is the source of the heat? Sun is the main source of heat. Got it, student? Clear concept? Now see, student, there are some questions. It is related to the activity. First is that what did you understand initially by observing the spins? Now see, student, firstly we put that there are many means some spins on that water. Because of the light weight, they started floating on the water. What is, student? First answer. Because of the light weight, they started floating on the water. Good. But then when the temperature of water started increasing, what change did you see? Now see, student, that all questions we have to write with the help of our activity. Now see, student, when that temperature of water started increasing because of the that light spirit lamp, okay, what happened, student? That spin started to moving, okay, from high temperature to low temperature, and again low temperature to high temperature. Got it? Now third question is that observe the movement of spins. Movement, how they? From high temperature to low temperature to high temperature. It means the spins started to flow low temperature to low temperature to high temperature to low temperature in a circular motion. Now next question is that where can such process take place on the earth surface? Where that? Yes, in the ocean, okay, such as the process take place in the ocean. What are those processes and why do they happen? Okay, what are these process, student? That process is our ocean currents. Okay, and why do they happen? Okay, student, now see answer. Why that happens, student? When temperature increase because of the sun, and because of the sun, density of the water increasing, decreasing. In density of water, because of the density of the water when decreased, student, they started to move in the air with the means in a form of the steam. We can see there is a process evaporation. Okay, student. Okay, when the temperature increases because of the sun, density of the water decreases. Okay, means there is a process of evaporation. Okay, student, understood? Okay, and that all the answers I have told you, student. I hope you understood. Now see, the next is that geographical explanation. Student, now we have to see, okay, it will occur to you that as the temperature of water increases, the plastic spins move from one place to another place. Now see, student, because of the candle, heat got to that metal, and because of the metal tray, that sequence started to move from one place to another place. Okay, as the temperature rises, I told you when the temperature rises, that time the density of water is decreases. Means when we put in any one container some water for boiling, we put sometime for our when we want to take bath. That time we see. So after the boiling, the steam started. Okay, means there is a density decreases of the water. Okay, the water having lower temperature, which is the heavier places, the water with the higher temperature, and after the some time the spin started moving in a circular motion. I have told that how that means from lower In this way, we have seen, let's recall as well as